the handsome 3008 has just been updated, not facelifted, and here are 5 things you need to know about this new Peugeot 3008 Allure Plus. On the outside, it is very much similar as before. On top of the same LED headlights, 18-inch rims and the 3D LED claw effect tail lights, you do get some new chrome bits here and there. For example, on the side mirrors, door handles, the strip that runs across the bottom half of the window frame, and also around the exhaust tip look-alike deco. Yeah, it is fake. And by the way, it's got a new roof rail design that is now raised up and looks a lot more sporty. There is no change in this department right here, so it is still the same 1.6-litre 4-cylinder twin-scroll turbo high-pressure engine together with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It makes 167 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 in 8.9 seconds, top speed 205 km per hour. Fuel consumption, well, you can actually do 7 litres per 100 km, which is not bad. The cabin looks really beautiful in here with Peugeot's iCockpit design. It now comes with panoramic sunroof with ambient lighting surrounding it, navigation system, power seats for the front passenger and driver, and also it comes with this iCockpit Amplify feature. With a simple touch, it turns on the sporty driving mode, and also it changes the displays into a red theme, which is very sporty. But unlike the 5008 Allure Plus variant, this doesn't have that pseudo exhaust note fed into the cabin. You can even choose Relax mode for a more soothing drive. Also, what's new here is a hands-free powered tailgate. The safety front has been improved as well. It is equipped with active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring system, and driver attention alert version 3 that uses the front camera system to detect vehicle trajectory. This locally assembled new Peugeot 3008 Allure Plus is yours at 163,888 ringgit, while the Active Plus variant is priced at 150,888 ringgit. Both come with a 5-year or 120,000 kilometer mileage warranty. If you want to find out more about this new Peugeot 3008 Allure Plus, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.